Hey, what's going on, guys? I just got my new Lifee Dehumidifier in the mail, so I figured I would do a quick unboxing for you so we can see what's inside. Just a quick look here. You can see all of the specs. So I'll show you that, and then I'll go ahead and open it up. Alright, so here at the top, you have your comment cards and some instructions, your user manual, layer of foam on top here, and pull out the dehumidifier itself. You can see it's wrapped up also so it doesn't get scratched up and stuff during transit. So I'll slide this out. So this is the gray color. It looks really nice. I like the look of that. And then just a quick look all the way around. Pull out the tank. And you can see it had the power cord inside the tank here. Alright, so there it is, guys. There's the unboxing. See everything it comes with. So the dehumidifier, the cord, and then the tank and lid for it.